There are so many factors that play a role in whether you will succeed or not. And this one specific factor that I'm about to discuss with you in this video is probably the most important factor that I can possibly think of when it comes to achieving any goal you have. It is going to set you up for success, or it is going to bring you down and fail if you don't do it correctly. The key to your success lies within this factor, and that is why consistency is the most important thing when it comes to achieving your goals. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing 5 of the most important things that consistency allows you to do when you are achieving your goals, and why it is such an important factor for you to have when you are trying to reach a specific outcome. Number 1 is consistent action builds momentum. So when you do things over and over again repeatedly for a period of time, you're building momentum and you're building the snowball effect of building up gradually. Do you ever find yourself feeling like, oh, I've gone for a long time without doing this, or I've gone a long time with doing that? And that is the momentum that is built up by doing things on a consistent basis. You are so much more likely to want to continue doing something if you have built up a certain streak. What do I mean by this? Let's take eating healthy for an example. If you haven't been eating healthy, you're more likely to continue that habit and carry on that momentum. Whereas if you have been eating healthy for the past week, you are more likely to continue eating healthy because you have built that week's worth of momentum. Momentum is such a strong factor when it comes to achieving a goal, achieving a desired outcome, and that is why consistency can help you build that momentum that you need to continue doing what you need to do to achieve your goals. Number 2, consistency allows us to build habits. Why are habits important? Well, when you are trying to achieve a goal, you have to have certain habits in place to actually have that goal completed. For example, if you're trying to achieve your dream physique, for example, you have to have certain habits in place and daily habits that you actually work towards to achieve that goal. When you are trying to achieve your dream physique, you need to 1, be working out on a consistent basis. 2, you need to be eating a reasonably healthy diet. And 3, you need to be getting the right sleep and recovery so that your muscles can build back up. Those are the habits that go into achieving that goal. Consistency allows us to build those habits. Take cleaning your teeth for an example. You don't have to think about, oh, I want to clean my teeth today, I would do it. Or then another day, I don't want to clean my teeth, I don't want to do it. It's just something that you do repetitively, twice a day, on a consistent basis, every day. You don't think about whether you're going to clean your teeth or not. It's just, I'm going to clean my teeth. That's the same thing with habits. They can be built up to a point when it's so ingrained into your routine that it just becomes second nature to you. Number 3, consistent progress leads to more motivation and resilience. When you are consistently seeing results in your goal and seeing that the method you're using is working, you're so much more motivated to keep going and keep striving to achieve more progress. The reason behind this is because you become addicted to those results. You want to keep seeing progress. You want to keep going. It becomes a healthy addiction. The more motivation you have, the more likely you're going to feel like you want to do those productive tasks, and therefore you're going to achieve them to a better quality and a better standard of work. Secondly, you're going to find you have more resilience. So on those days that you don't want to do those hard tasks, you're going to be able to do them because you can bounce back from adversity. You can bounce back from not feeling good about what you were doing. The reason motivation is important is because it can get us started on our journey. We need that initial point of motivation to actually want to do something, to actually go and do it and start. That is why it is so important to stay consistent and build that initial motivation for you then to project your goal. Number 4, consistency builds discipline. Why is discipline important? Well, discipline allows you to do those tasks you need to get done on the days you don't feel like doing them. And this is such a crucial element to success. If you can do the things that you need to do on the days you don't feel like doing them, you're going to have a breeze. in life. You're going to succeed in every aspect of doing things because you're not relying on your emotions to dictate your actions. You're relying on your actions to dictate your emotions. I don't know how to explain this enough, but discipline is one of the most important characteristics one can have. Probably second to consistency, and consistency builds discipline. They go hand in hand. So if you have consistency, you have discipline. If you have discipline, you have consistency. This is why these two factors are the most important things when achieving your goals. If you can be consistent on a regular basis for enough time, then you're going to build that discipline up, and therefore you're going to be unstoppable. And finally, number 5 is consistency allows you to reach your goals if you stay with it. If you follow the pathway of consistency, I promise you, you're going to end up at your goals at some point in the future. This is because if you don't ever give up, you're never going to fail, because you can't fail. You just keep getting back up from those failures, you learn from those failures, and you keep going. You're not ever going to stop, and therefore you're going to eventually reach the end of achieving your goal. Don't give up right before you hit your goal. I don't know if you've seen this yet, but I've popped the picture up on the screen right now. It's of this guy who's mining, right? He's mining away for years and years and years. And he's about to reach the goal, but because he's done it for so long, he's lost the belief in himself that he's going to achieve that goal. So he just gives up right before he was about to hit that goal. Don't be that guy. Be the guy that keeps going no matter what. Give it 5 years, at least 5 years of your life to dedicating yourself to achieve that goal. That is what's going to achieve success for you. If you want more help with this, I have a completely free mini course linked in the description below for you to pick up. If you just enter your information, I'll send it over you to completely for free. It includes a free workout guide, how to build discipline, and how to build healthy habits to achieve success with your goals. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate your time. While you're down there, you may as well subscribe as well, because I'm helping you become the best version of yourself in 2023. It's a win-win. I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.